Hey guys, today we got this Lego set, and this is my second Lego set, and here it's 9 plus, and it has 905 pieces, so it's going to take some time to build this. And you see we have a car here, and it's right here it says Lego. And first we have to open this, and I think there's going to be packets, because the first one, when I opened it, it had 3 packets. And let's get started now. First we'll just pull it like this. Like this. You see here. And now we're going to open it this side, like this, you see? And now I see the packets, and here we'll take this out. It's number 4 we have here. And number 3, we see number 1 and number 2. It's right here. We have here is the menu, and we see this is so big. You see here, so it will take us some time. And here we have our stickers. And let's see, there's nothing here. Let's put that there. And first, let's see. First, I'll just take that. And we'll first open number 1. Bye. And then this was so fun, and I'll see you next time.